Missouri could this week become the first state without a legal abortion clinic. Planned Parenthood is suing the state to keep its St. Louis clinic open. As CBS's Laura Podesta reports, the state may not renew the facility's license, which expires in just a few days.
By the end of this week, women in Missouri may not be able to get a legal abortion anywhere in the state. The very last abortion clinic could be shut down as early as Friday because the state may not renew Planned Parenthood's license,
leaving more than 1 million reproductive age Missourians without access to the fundamental health care that they deserve in their state.
This comes just days after Missouri Governor Mike Parson signed a law banning abortion after 8 weeks, with no exceptions for rape or incest.
I think always, it's the most important to protect women's health and advocate for the unborn. That's always important to me.
5 other states have passed similar laws this year, banning virtually all abortions. While none of those laws have taken effect yet, if the St. Louis clinic closes, Missouri will become the first state to effectively end all legal abortion since Roe v. Wade established that right in 1973. Lawrence Gostin is a professor of health law at Georgetown University.
I do not think that the Supreme Court is ready now or in the near future to review any of these really highly restrictive laws.
Planned Parenthood is suing to keep its Missouri clinic open with an emergency court hearing today. Laura Podesta, CBS News, New York.